AIPMS is an advanced platform service that collects and analyzes plant data to provide the predictive information for 4 main specific areas: operation and production, maintenance, energy management, and logistics. Plant hierarchy understanding is one of the key challenging core features of AIPMS that makes AIPMS unique over competitors. The predictive maintenance module uses the equipment's current condition to plan what maintenance needs to be performed, when it should be carried out, and which resources are needed. All equipment is monitored, and, through artificial intelligence, data are analyzed in order to produce diagnostic health information as well as performance behavior information. These let us predict possible future equipment failures and advise recommendations and prescriptions in order to avoid the foreseen failure. The predictive maintenance module drastically reduces critical equipment's downtime, maximizing plant production uptime. By leveraging the powerful AIPMS predictive operation module, enterprises can gain valuable, actionable insight from all asset-related data and adjust the manufacturing production process in order to maximize efficiency and effectiveness through performance improvement recommendations. The AIPMS Energy Management Module analyzes data-relevant energy usage through artificial intelligence and machine learning in order to recognize and foresee inefficiencies, abnormal energy consumption, losses, potential emissions increases, in a top-down manner, from the plant down to areas, functional units, equipment, and components. The AIPMS Logistic Module is a powerful tool for storage, transportation forecasting, and, through predictive maintenance, is able to optimize inventory management and workforce management. By targeting dedicated KPIs through AIPMS, productivity is increased, equipment lifetime is extended, energy is saved, maintenance cost is cut, unplanned stops and downtime are reduced or eliminated. The AIPMS platform will be completely dressed as a service around customer plant. Capable of seamlessly integrating with all available plant systems. Welcome to the plant of tomorrow. Equipment that lets you know when it is time for a service, and plant data that lets you know how to increase effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity.